Hi, so hari ni I nak bagi tahu a simple step to buy this Haus Magic Pinky without going to the physical store. Okay, so these are the simple steps. You just tekan, cari Magic Pinky, and then they have this virtual try on filter that you guys boleh cari you guys punya shades. Look, I tried. So my shade is, wait, I think this is too bright. I mean too putih, right? This one boleh lah. Oh, okay, this one look better, right? Looks natural. I think this is my shades. Oh. So if you guys want to buy their product, just pergi dekat dia punya website and just try on everything, you know. See, they have this shades and diorang ada lipstick juga. Look. Ooh. Okay, I already tried. How about you? Go and try now. Okay, go get yours now. Bye. Thank you for watching.